We're here to make lentil fritters, one of our favorite new recipes. It's very high in vegetarian protein. A lot of proteins in the plant-based world are not always complete proteins. However, with lentils and certainly eggs mixed together, you can be sure we get all of the essential proteins at the same time. It's a very simple recipe. It's only made from a few ingredients: lentils, eggs, some flour, a couple of spices, salt, oil, and a bit of red onion. That's it. It's very quick to make, so let's get cooking. First of all, we're going to get in 1/3 of a cup of flour.
Whole grain flour or normal flour? Doesn't matter.
You can use any. I prefer whole grain as the health benefits are a bit wider ranging than the normal white cereal.
Sounds good, man.
Okay, we're going to mix in 2 eggs with that. A bit of eggshell went in there, so I simply use another piece of eggshell to scoop it out again. It's the easiest way. Okay, next in goes a teaspoon of paprika, teaspoon of ground coriander seeds, a pinch of salt, and we'll give it all a good mix. I'm just going to use a fork. Fork is more than enough. Okay, sometimes the batter can be a little bit thick. If it is, we're going to stick in some water. We'll start with about 4 tablespoons and see how that goes. Maybe we'll need 6.
Oh yeah.
It's looking much better already. We're going to slice some red onion, and we're going to slice it very thinly. We don't want it to be overpowering in the fritters, so the thinner we can slice it, the better. In goes half the red onion and 1 heaped cup of lentils. That's about a can.
Okay, like a 15-ounce can,
exactly,
I guess, like a
15
small
ounce.
one. So we use already cooked lentils here.
Yep, already cooked lentils save us a lot of time. Of course you can cook your own, but this way is much quicker. Then we give it another mix. That looks great. Let's get frying. We're going to heat up 2 tablespoons of olive oil on a medium heat. We want it nice and hot when it is. Get a large spoon if possible and scoop out roughly burger size and burger shape patty.
These look perfect. For how many minutes should they cook?
We're going to cook them for about 4 minutes on each side. If we need to, we can use the spoon to rearrange them into a patty shape, but these ones are looking pretty good how they are.
I'd say so too.
So about 4 minutes have passed, maybe 4.5. Let's have a quick look.
They smell very good already.
How are we looking?
Yes, let's flip them.
Okay. Yeah, they are smelling great, and actually that's probably a sign that they're cooked quite nicely on the one side. So let's get those flipped over.
Nice. Wow, that was some good flipping technique you have there. Bam.
Thank you.
All right.
Practice makes perfect.
Wow. Yeah.
Let's give them another 4 minutes. Okay, the other side's at 4 minutes. Let's have a quick look. Beautiful, they are perfect. Let's get them on a plate.
Beautiful, man.
Okay, let's get them served. The fritters are done, so now it's my favorite part. Serving time. We'll just have a couple of fritters each. Good handful of salad and a dip. For the dip, I've used a very simple sour cream with some chopped spring onions. That's it.
Easy. Yeah, perfect.
Our high protein lentil fritters are ready. If you need more high protein snacks or lunches or breakfast or dinners for that matter, then make sure you check out the high protein meal plan. The link is below this video. Once you've done that, click subscribe, click the little bell button, click the like, and we will continue to keep making these videos. See you soon.